Come on, pump. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! Okay! We are rich. And bang! GG's to everyone who bought in my coin. This Phantom wallet, $5.98 million, all made from meme coin launches. No trading signals, no luck, just a repeatable system that prints. Watch this video and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Now, I'm not going to lie, bro. I used to spend hours every single day trading meme coins on MemeScope, trying to make some money, and every time I thought I found the next 100x meme coin, guess what happened? Well, I ended up being exit liquidity. I'm sure most of you guys got rugged just like me over and over again. And that's exactly when I realized the people winning are not buying coins. They're actually deving them. Because when you dev, you control the narrative, the timing, and the supply. You cannot lose anything because you are the guy who created the coin and you're the one profiting whenever you want. But if you keep trading other people's coins, you'll end up holding the bag and then losing everything. And right now, it's the best moment to start launching and deving meme coins because Solana and Bitcoin is pumping, and I will be gatekeeping everything in today's video. And by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so everything that you're going to see into this video is made with Sora AI. It's all fake. Cap! Now, most people go to Pump.Fun when they want to launch a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. But let me tell you right now, Pump.Fun doesn't work anymore. It's overflooded. Thousands and thousands of new tokens are dropping every single day, and most coins disappear within hours. You don't own your own liquidity for your own coin, and you don't control your own project because it's Pump.Fun that does it for you, not you. That's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because now I control everything. All your coins launches directly onto Raydium, which means it will get immediately migrated and viewed by thousands of potential trenchers. And bro, that's fucking insane. Your coin is gonna reach tens and thousands of people, and you have the potential to make a lot of profits. You have full control and a shit ton of visibility, bro. Create tokens.io might be the new meta when you want to make some money. Now here's how you create a meme coin on create tokens.io. Now you have two different methods. The first way is to create from scratch a meme coin. So go on X, for example, and look for something that could be trending and that could be good to make a meme coin on. For example, let me see if there's something good. Andrew Tate, I don't know. See if we'll do it with a private jet, that could be good. You know, just anything, right? Once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, invent a name, add a symbol, and then add the quick meme coin logo for the meme coin, and just like that, your coin is created custom made after these steps. But the second method, bro, you have to trust me on this, it's my go-to move and the most profitable, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now these are already hyped on Pump.Fun, every single coin here. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch instantly to Raydium. And since they already have traffic, you'll get instant buyers and faster profits from the start, all because these coins are already proven to go viral and to attract buyers. Alright, enough theory. I'm gonna hit launch on the coin right now and you guys will see me live in action, make some money potentially. So first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, click on the refresh list button, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with the whiff out because the PFP looks cool. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a 28k market cap, so click on create coin. After that, ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. Let's go. My bad. And yeah, boom, let's click on create the liquidity pool. Now this step's easy. We're adding liquidity, which gives your coin a real market and lets buyers jump in instantly on Raydium and make some money. So for the token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens right under for the token B. Think of it as your first buy into your own coin. It's like planting your own seed and then growing it and making some money. You are not losing any SOL, it's just locked in. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and when you remove the liquidity later, that SO will come straight back inside your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why we have nothing to lose as meme coin devs. I'm gonna put 0.35 SO, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on the refresh button, and if you scroll down, boom, the without coin is on live, our PNL is at $0. And if you click on the refresh button, now we're up $187, which is absolutely insane. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. You can also go and ask them if you want, or wherever you want to trade your meme coin or see your meme coin. Let me go on full screen for a better view. Okay, the coin is live. We're already up a couple $100. Come on. Oh shit. Now the chart might look funky, but do not worry about it, okay? It is going to go higher and higher and higher because more and more people are going to start viewing the coin and then buying in. And the narrative is already proven to work since we copied it. So bro, let's go $50 right inside our fucking wallets. Okay, come on. I want to see some action, bro. Just drop the bomb, bro. One big bomb. Come on now. Oh my god, bro. Just one big fucking bomb, bro. One giant green candle. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. We just got a big buy. Okay, now let's dump the coin. Oh my god. Let's go. It's pumping so much. Okay, now let's dump the coin. Actually, no. Come on, pump. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Okay. We are rich. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to give this coin more time for it to pump. And I'm going to be right back after a couple minutes. Okay guys, I am back. We are pushing 2k in liquidity and 5k market cap, which is absolutely insane. We have a lot of buyers coming in. Now before it goes down, okay, because it is going to retrace, we are going to make some money. So come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button to check your profits. And as you guys can see, we are up $1.9 thousand in USD, which is absolutely insane. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, click remove the money out of the coin, and as you guys can see, I'm going to receive like 9.5, 9.3 SO. Click on confirm, and bang! That's exactly how you launch meme coins and make some generational wealth. If I open the Phantom wallet, you guys will see that I have $1.9 thousand in my wallet, and look, it's real, okay? It's all there. Boom, GG's to everyone who bought in my coin.